So our next stop is Coit Tower. Now to get from Chinatown to Coit Tower, that's the fastest route to Coit Tower. Check this out. It's freaking steep. And I'm sure in the video, it's not doing justice. It's got to be about a 45 to 50 degree angle. Pro tip, everything in San Francisco is uphill or upstairs. But we have made it to Coit Tower. So from here, you can't see our cruise ship. It's not too far from the terminal. So welcome to Coit Tower. The Coit Tower is 210 foot tall. It has an Art Deco tower sitting on top of Telegraph Hill here in San Francisco. It's $10 to come on in. They have an elevator that takes you to floor 11. And you just got 2 more flights to climb, and then you're here where I am at, and you have panoramic views of the city. Now, the tower was funded by Lily Hithcock Coit, a wealthy San Franciscan and elite socialite. She was known for her love for firefighters. She famously helped volunteer in fire brigades as a teenager in the 1850s. When she died in 1929, she left 1/3 of her fortune to beautify San Francisco. The city used part of that money to build Coit Tower. Now, inside of here, there are 27 murals painted in 1934, funded by the New Deal's Public Works of Art project. The murals depict everyday life in California during the Great Depression. And no tourist attraction would be complete without its own gift shop. If you drive to Coit Tower, they do have parking right here for you, and there's also great views from the parking lot too. Well, that completes our time at Coit Tower. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Now it's on to our next stop.